Hi guys, so today we are making lamb shank. So we'll start off by washing our lamb shank very clean. And guys, I don't know about you, but I happen to dislike this green or bluish dye they put on meat for weighing purposes or for whatever purpose it is, but it doesn't serve any purpose and I don't like it. So you can let me know in the comments what you think about it. So after washing your lamb shank, you'll season it with salt and pepper. Then add a spoon of olive oil in your pan, then brown it. And I know how difficult it is to brown this type of meat, but you must try the best that you can. So let's chop some onions. So today we are not using a lot of veggies, but our lamb shank is gonna be given. So we are only using onions and our leeks. So this is the last parsley I'm going to use today, which I bought from the store, merely because I'm going to start using those herbs I planted on my balcony. And if you want to see how I planted them and how I went about it, there's a video I posted on my YouTube channel. You can just go there and see the process. So yeah. I'm using all of this parsley because I want to use it on both my final plates and on my potatoes. In the same pot, you'll saute your leeks, your onions, your garlic, and then you squeeze in some tomato paste. Then you let it cook for 2 minutes. Then you go in with your red wine. Let it cook as well for 5 minutes. You can use your stock cube as is, then you add boiling water in your pot, but I prefer melting it first in a bowl. We are going to add our lamb shanks, our herbs, stock water, and a little bit of water. Then we cover. And then we move over to our potatoes because we are going to have this lamb with mashed potatoes. After 2.5 hours, our lamb shanks are now tender. So we'll add in our baby carrots. Then in the last 3 minutes, we'll add in our broccoli. So the cooking process of this meal is 3 hours. So after 3 hours, your lamb is now ready. So I'm a person who prefers to have my soups thick. So I thickened my soup using corn flour and butter, but you are more than welcome to skip this process. And for the potatoes, we are mixing parsley, butter, milk, and salt. So I need you to stick around and then we taste this meal together. So the best thing you can do for you and your family is to prepare this meal. And I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it. It was very warm, it was satisfying, and it's full of color. And the most important thing is that it's very tender. And the moment of truth has come, so let's taste. This was very, very delicious. And thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.